Okay, so in the last video, I addressed the Haiden Deegan America comments and all that. This one, I want to address that sentence where he was speaking about he probably watched too much David Goggins or Andrew Tate. That rubbed a lot of people the wrong way. It seems like people either love or hate Andrew Tate, and personally, I'm somewhere right in the middle. It's neither. So let's talk about it. You know, Andrew Tate's a controversial figure across the internet. He likes to say that he tries to motivate men and lead men to be more masculine and such, but I think the way he goes about that a lot of times is wrong compared to the way some of the other guys do. As far as any of his criminal stuff, I don't think he's been convicted of any crimes, so until that happens, that's not even relevant in my opinion. And I want to give Haiden the benefit of the doubt here. Team Solitaire on Twitter says, "Zero chance Haiden understands or knows anything about Andrew Tate and his legal issues. He sees 15 to 20 second sizzle clips of Tate saying, 'just be a man,' and draws his conclusion that he's motivational and it's good to be a man. Give the kid a break." And I absolutely agree. I also want to say that I think you can take things that you think are positive aspects from different characters without being 100% all in, a fanboy completely agreeing with everything that person says. You can agree with a tweet that Andrew Tate says and not agree with his stance on everything. And I believe you can mention someone's name or you can be a fan of a certain rhetoric someone has, and that doesn't mean you're completely endorsing everything they've ever said or every stance they ever have. Life is not that black and white, guys. However, on the other side of the aisle, they say, you know, you can't worry about what this kid says. He's a kid. Literally, you have all these grown men out here making comments about what this kid says, and that's not correct either. Yes, he's a kid, but he's not a kid. When you are a top-level athlete, top-tier athlete on a sport like ours, you don't get to be a kid. His paychecks are substantial, and so his responsibility is substantial too. And yes, he has to grow up faster than any of us did. He's probably more mature now than I was at 25, but that comes with the territory. Regardless, the next 3 rounds are going to be so exciting in the 250 class. I can't wait to watch.